Dear viewers, let us take you on a virtual tour of our Vidyalaya. We are entering in the premises through the main entrance of the school. We at KV number 2 Kasargod aim at educating children and not just imparting information. We work towards building character. This is the playing area for our tiny tots, surrounded by the beautiful view of lush greenery. Let us go inside the school building now, shall we? Come in to learn and go out to serve. This is the motto of the Vidyalaya. We have entered the school building through the central entrance. This entrance is open to the principal, the staff and the parents only. On the right side here, we have principal's chamber. Our principal, Mr. K.P. Thankapan, is an impactful leader and motivates our students to strive for success daily. He has taken our school up a notch through his leadership and unwavering dedication. Our HM, Mr. S.N. Bhatt, is known for his patience and wisdom, for inspiring with his kindness and endless positivity. Various artworks of the primary students are displayed here in the activity room area. We are now moving towards the office. Mrs. Vanita and Miss Ranjani work for countless hours, going above and beyond to help in managing the administrative work. This is first B class. Due to unprecedented COVID pandemic, the Vidyalaya was converted into an isolation center, hence you see the cots. The Vidyalaya is no more an isolation center and the cots have been removed. The school has 4 drinking areas. The infrastructure of the school is inclusive for specially abled children with ramps available at all corners of the school. There are 8 sets of washrooms, 4 each for boys and girls. Each set has 6 toilets. Let us visit the chemistry lab now. Mrs. Usha Menon, PGT Chemistry, is the lab in charge. The lab has all the equipments, apparatuses and the chemicals to facilitate learning by doing by the means of practicals. This is biology lab, the in charge of which is Mr. Gopalanti, PGT Bio. You can see many specimens in the lab as well as the project works of the students are displayed here. In the bio lab, the students come one step closer to nature. They use processes and scientific materials to construct their own explanation of biological phenomena. Our next stop is Physics Lab. The Physics Lab aids our students in establishing the relevance to the theories they learn and thus brings clarity in the minds of the students regarding the basic concepts of the subject. The in charge of the lab is Mrs. Maya, PGT Physics. We have 2 computer labs in the school, Computer Lab 1 and Computer Lab 2. 1 each for both primary and secondary students. Let us go upstairs now. We have reached Atal Tinkering Lab. Atal Tinkering Lab is a central government of India initiative to create an environment of scientific temperament, innovation and creativity amongst Indian students. Henry Frederick Amiel, a Swiss moral philosopher, once said, "Everything you need for a better future and success has already been written. And guess what? All you have to do is go to the library." So here we are. This is the Commerce Department of the Vidyalaya, the Maths Lab, the Work Experience Lab, and here we are moving towards the Open Air Auditorium. The Open Air Auditorium is the heart of the Vidyalaya, where morning assembly and various other programs are conducted from time to time. On the right side there is a vast playground where children often play football. There is also a basketball court, a badminton court, and a kho-kho ground in the school premises. This is the parking area. They are our primary teachers. And here are some glimpses of CMP activities. We thank you for coming on this virtual tour of our Vidyalaya with us.